Balay? Yes, alright, so I'm glad that you are all here today. Give yourself 3 claps. Okay, so for our classroom rules, everybody please read.
Listen carefully, keep your hands and feet to yourself, follow direction, raise your hand if you have something to say, show respect and kindness to your classmates, so do your best.
Okay, did you understand our classroom rules?
Yes!
Okay, so now let's have a short recap for our previous lesson. So do you still remember our last topic?
Yes!
Mary Joy, what was our lesson yesterday?
Teacher, our previous lesson was all about leaders marketing of animals.
Okay, very good. I'm glad that you still remember our past lesson. So now, before we proceed to our new discussion, let's have an activity. Please read the direction, class.
Arrange the jumbled letter using teacher's clues to reveal the word.
Okay, very good, class. You got all the correct answers. So let's read the word that you formed.
Grocery, energy, time, mother, money, and house.
So now please take a look at this picture. So what does it show? In one, Regine,
Teacher, carpentry,
and okay, very good. So the first picture shows the mother working in construction, and the second picture shows a mother working at home or doing household chores. So now, do you have an idea what was our topic today? Okay, so our lesson today is all about, everybody read,
family resources, basic needs, sources of income.
Okay, and at the end of the lesson, you are expected to
Identify the different types of family resources, needs, and sources of income. Demonstrate the day-to-day activities that need resources.
Okay, so these are the words that I need to emphasize before we discuss. So first is resources. So what is resources? A stock of supply of money, materials, and other assets used or needs by a person. And the second one is income. So everybody read.
Money received specially on a regular basis for work or investment.
Okay, so what is family resources? So family resources are the assets or resources that a family needs in order to survive in their daily life. So there are kinds of family resources. So these are the material resources and non-material resources. So I will show you a model of a house, and you will observe this, the example of material and non-material resources. So material resources, who wants to read? Eugene?
Are tangible assets found and featured that can be used for practical human purposes.
Okay, so when we say tangible assets, ibig sabihin ay yung mga paggamitan na nakahawakan, nakikita o ginagamit sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. So, ano sa tingin nyo ang example na nakikita din dito sa model? The material resources. Okay, very good. So, example of the material resources are car, furnitures, and house and lot. So, that's the example of material resources. The second one is non-material resources. Everybody read.
Are intangible assets. Without these resources, family members will be unable to perform their duties at home, school, and at work.
Ayan, pag sinabi natin non-material, it means intangible. So, hindi natin nakikita o nakahawakan. So, example ng non-material are time, experience, and health. So, as you can observe, so the family, they have bonding. So, it means that they have time to bond with each other. And ganun din ang with their bonding, they create their memorable experience. At ganun din sa health. Importante ang health dahil kung hindi health ang every member ng family, hindi nila magagampanan ang kanilang mga tungkulin sa kanilang pamilya. So for example, ang nanay. So healthy ang nanay kaya na alagaan niya ng maayos ang kanilang anak. At ganoon din ang tatay. Kung hindi healthy ang kanilang tatay, hindi siya makakapagtrabaho at hindi siya makakapag-provide ng mga resources na kailangan ng kanyang pamilya. So now, let's talk about the basic needs of the family. So what do you think, as a member of a family, what do you think are your basic needs? Okay, so the basic needs of a family are, everybody read?
Food, shelter, clothing, education, and social needs.
Alright, so that are the basic needs of a family. So now let's talk about the sources of income. So there are two sources of income. Those are the regular income and irregular income. So sa regular income, doon naggagaling para makapag-provide ng mga pangangailangan ng pamilya. So sa regular income, salaries and pensions. And irregular income naman, overtime payment and bonus payment na nakukuha ng, for example, ng tatay sa kanyang trabaho. So now, class, did you understand our discussion?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any question?
No.
Now, let's proceed to your activity. Everybody read the mechanics.
So the teacher will play the music. While the music is playing, the class the box that contains the teacher. When the music stops, the student will hold back the box to the right teacher from the box if it is
My one is
not ready for the material resources.
Okay, did you enjoy the activity, class?
Yes.
Very good. So now let's proceed to your group activity. Individual, next activity. Read the direction, class.
The following struggle letters are sources of money income. Arrange the letter to form a new word. Write the answers in a different shape of paper.
Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to your group activity. Please read the direction.
Each group will be given a data card containing a situation of what you do at home, showing different resources and sources of income.
Okay, for the group 1, we will show a scenario about household chores or human resource. Group 2, selling different farm products, material resources. Group 3, health consciousness or non-material. And group 4, sources of family income and family basic needs. So are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. I'm glad that you all participate in your presentation. So now, let's have a by pair activity. Choose your partner and the direction. Make a poem about family. So it contains 3 stanza with 4 lines each. So I will give you 10 minutes to craft your poem. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. For your last activity, read the direction.
Read and analyze carefully the questions before you circle the letter of the best answer.
Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so for your assignment, come with the direction on your paper. So the direction, using an old magazine, newspapers, or pictures from the web, make a collage of the different family resources and sources of family income. Paste it in a Kanban. So did you understand the instruction?
Yes.
Pwede kayo magpatulong sa inyong ate, kuya, or sa inyong nanay. So, tumayo ang lahat. Okay, thank you class for your participation and goodbye.